Negasngi daman ko kawasakan mo yanam yagi kon gakur Passah. Hewa ulat kajila UCS Jaya Shankar duan heru haga Mujra ke Mukan gakur wa ema thau thang sati cut baku Jowai. Haga ni gasngi da em gaya lang watbian wa penlai daka ruda ya Passah hewa da yo ikentin priang buram naga finan Passah wa ingok blai na ukni gakur uda wiang Passah. Urukot gakur US Passah da kenau ya ga promo tibian gakur hewa da kenau wa gakur to wa her na kesenjaj ko bor kupli ko man ga kon wa nengkong ka belai kupli. Da kenau wa Mujra ke Mukan na chwa to ka thau wa pencong penthia iki chen kibada khalat hadin wadap ya kaniam thang wai kam ju kaniam le ya daw tang wa hagi snam ka praspa gi pareng da pentut wai da pensenge gi ya kani gale niam kamara pasenge gi ya gale niam be den klam heju ipor do ong wa ini le gi pareng na pemani ya wa yang nang ba wa ya khmat wa le percaya gi pareng da khanau le wai kon ga kur ki wakat ni da perchang gi wa penek pendam ya kani ka thau wa kentang wa da gerpat wi gi jan yung jan sem wa buram gi ya ini thau nei liang ulat aw e klam le ro wi ga sor jwai uman ga go khoi wa snya kumen wa han la wanu na ga jela karnataka na ga sor mysore do ong wa ga ni ga thau chme khlia man ko tam bar ya ga sor wanu de kun tu yo ro open ne ye khoi kam jo ye man ga tang ini thau de man ta ka mret man ko wi de pen ra wa snya kumen wo tim wai wo yo ya ini thau ko man ko dor ye kur Passah cho cho do ong wa ti wer kom im ga jai bru ga kur bai kam te kat ha iwan iwan ipor wa em kam ye ki wo kurun cho hai jo ipor senyawo u ga kur Passah wa khut ga yo ne ga sngi de wa ong le wa ki wa amtip ga param tan re yong ki mi gi wo chna ya ga param thme ha ga ni ga sngi ulat wa ulat yo mo sa na mo ra wan un ne wa su ki ya ga ker permiat ya ga Mujra ka Mukan da pengkut ya ga lang na ki kentien ku blai na ga le ki mai Passah.
The bones are being deposited after the Lenium Liyao, which is the ritual that is performed after the cremation of the dead. And that was carried out by our ancestors. And during the British rule, mid-1800s, they started obstructing the rituals and practices of our people. And eventually, we weren't able to carry on to perform the ritual. And this malicious act of the Britishers, it forced our freedom fighter, Ukianamba, and his followers to revolt against the Britishers. So, the endeavor of the present generation is to conserve, protect these heritage sites of the clan. And we have been trying our best to beautify, to clean this place every now and then.
To know ourselves, to realize ourselves what should be our commitment, to build up our society, to have a prestigious life, respectful life, and live peacefully, and give proper education, moral support to the coming generation. In that way, if at all we have to think, that decision, this kind of programs going to help in a lot. So again, I am going to thank you people to inviting me to be here in this program, in this function. I thank to all of you, and in that way, again, we can meet any point of time. Kuble, cultural events, either education, health, and rest of the other activities. If at all community leaders wish to move forward in that way also, for the overall development of the community, whatever steps you people wish to take, ultimately what decision you are going to take for the overall development of this community, any issue at any point of time, Honorable MLA is here, and some of the senior leaders, they are here in front of them. I am going to say, we are always with you, and doors of Raj Bhavan always open for you people. I am really very grateful and thankful to the Passah community for inviting me on this auspicious occasion to be with you at this point of time. For that, I am really grateful to you people. One thing I have made it very clear in the previous program, previous function. Here also I am going to make it very clear. Who do not know their history, who do not know their history, their background, who do not know their history, they cannot create history.